for a minute. Playing it.
It looks like all the lanes are open.
Oh, yeah, maybe I'm just following my guy. I got you, bro. I got you. I can do this.
I feel like all the lanes are open. For now, anyway. You just following this guy?
Yeah, me. Oh, I got you, bro. This road's open, technically.
What else do you think it is then?
Next day delivery, that is my Remy's recognition for today. One extra. I've got time to squeeze in one more song. Got to get that recognition in.
Oh, I know. We just killed off bare fucking time.
Yeah.
Traffic jams tomorrow as well. Oi, oi. Enjoy your evening. Cash and
It's
Pharaoh
open
after
though.
this. Have you ever raced a
Laurie's following me behind me in this lane, like, yo, mate, fuck yeah. Do you know what I mean? Like,
getting written about you? Have you ever been to Italy and eaten Italian? Have you ever signed a deal that came with a medallion? Have you ever booked a club and came with a battalion?
I think that's what's causing the fucking drama. Everyone's getting in that right lane when you don't
mate,
actually.
that first right lane went back for ages.
Where exactly you reside? Have you been to the West
What
Coast, North Side? Have you ever made a porn star wanna be your bride? Have you hugged
What the fuck?
Have you had your heroes? Have you ever spoken something into existence, or do you just talk about?
Alright, now we've got non-digital.
So I mean, everyone's getting back all in the lanes before we've even animated them sort of
Yeah.
signs. Like, yo, they're gonna be pissed at the souls when they realise how far they've done that back.
Yeah, but will anyone actually now let us in?
Yo, mate, trust me. Yeah. We're literally doing nothing wrong, like, literally. Even by the highway code, right? Go for it. Fuck it, we're committed, bro. I got ya. Come on, we got this. We got this. We got this, bro.
This is absolutely fucking mad.
We just drove through it all, man. Like, yo, fuck
Shit,
it.
shit. Oh, look,
200
everyone's
yard
coming
away.
over now.
200 yard. No, we can get closer. We can do it closer.
Babe, this guy's kind of like. Alright, we need to start moving, yeah?
Cool.
Alright, we need to start moving across there. Oh. Okay, okay. That's mad. That's absolutely mad. What the fuck?
Hey, yo.
Alright, still need to move across to that lane, yeah? That's fucking funny. Oh shit. Alright, we can move over.